This is our fridge. On the top shelf, we have some juices. On the middle shelf are containers with leftovers and ketchup. Here is also a bottle of wine and chocolate drink. On the bottom shelf, we keep yogurts, mayonnaise, tomato sauce, and marmalade. On the very bottom shelf is some Parmesan grade cheese and butter. Here is more cheese, salami, and bacon. In the bottom drawers, we keep fruits and vegetables. Here is a carrot, some tomatoes, lettuce, and green peppers, and other. In the middle shelf of the door, we normally keep eggs. And in the bottom shelf, we have milk and iced tea.